What a perfect day to play Flight Escape 2. The one I play a lot. Oh wait, Papa John's! Ooh, Papa John's. You got USA, you got Renner. I don't wanna put my street address in. See, Papa John's. This is what the problem is. You don't. I don't wanna put my. No, I'm going back to Roblox. I don't like Papa John's. Alright, yo, we're going to go into a insane map next round. Well, I mean the first round that we're gonna do. So I guess we'll just dive into it. Alright, we're about to go in beneath the ruins. I'm bad at this game. Yeah, I'm not good at beneath the ruins. That's all I can say. Don't have to get 12 air left. Oh my god. Hold on, let me adjust it. There we go.
You're screwed, it's rising.
No, I'm not screwed. Don't worry about a thing. Alright, we're jumping down here. We're jumping in here. Ooh, wall jump. Shoot. Oh. Jump. Ooh, superhero. Ooh. No! Oh, no! Well, your boy died that round. I forgot what I was gonna say.
After 2 hours, I win the game.
Alright, we have finally loaded after 2 hours. Yep. Alright. Jump. Come on, get it. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, come on, no. I'm sad. I'm sad. The bird. You know what? Go. Alright, I'm back. Don't burp or cough this time. Yeah. You know what? Yeah.
You're kicking the wall.
Ooh, wall jump. Tis. Yeah, come on, green guy. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'm not bad. I'm better than you, actually. Yo, you don't understand. I'm level 21. Don't start this. Okay?
It said 27.
No, I'm level 20. Don't start this. Okay, just don't start. Don't start it. Oh yeah, we're jumping on the road. Oh no! Do it. No, why did I miss the jump? No, why am I going so fast? Oh my god, you got bodied. No, okay, I really want to get up. No, please. Okay, yeah. Alright, we're going to Graveyard Cliffside. Oh my god, cough somewhere else. We're at Graveyard Cliffside. But I don't want to die in this one. Alright, we're going in here. Here. Come on, go, Power Rangers.
They all died.
No, they did not die. None of them died. What? Oh.
You can't press the green button because you're bad.
Shut up. I'm not talking to you. Press the button. You can do it. You can. Oh yeah. All right, jump. All right, jump. I don't know if this copyright. I don't care if this gets down. Oh my god. Please. Oh god, I'm down here. I don't want to be down here. Ooh, yay! Yeah, I survived again. Oh my god. The water's rising. I gotta go. Power Ranger. Go, Nightmare Man.
Wait, did you walk?
Did you press the button? No. I don't have enough. I'm poor. Okay, look, I have 5. Look, I can't lock it to insane. I have 5 gems. I am poor. I am poor. I spent it all on lock. Look. I have no Robux. I'm poor. Like I said, no. Let me up. No, I'm not gonna die.
Yeah,
believe me. No, believe me.
Just don't think about it.
No. I'll think about it. Well, that's not good. Okay, but look. Shut. Can you laugh somewhere else also? See, look, I made it. What are you talking about?
Did you know if you go to your left, you'll make happiness?
Ooh, really? Say.
Oh,
ooh, he thought. Now we're in Crystal Caverns. Alright.
Did you know it wasn't green before it was made?
I don't. What do you mean? Oh, I missed it.
I bet you won't stay in water.
I bet I'll. For 5 minutes? No, I can't. Oh my god. Get the ball. Come on, go, 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 go.
Why
You failed! Oh my god! Alright,
Why
now.
are you constantly jumping and swimming? This game isn't about that stuff.
Well, it's flood escape. What do you think? And this is a flood. You see, I don't know how it's flooding. I mean,
It just starts.
it randomly starts. To subscribe to you. Look, I am the only godly one here. I'm the only
Come
god.
with the guy with
No,
two
no, 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 no!
subscribers.
Shut up. I have like 4.
Yeah, I got 6.
Shut up. I started more better than you.
Hey,
There's the button!
I
Oh!
screen recorder
Look,
and
I'm
a microphone.
Please don't do that. Alright,
What's your favorite NBA player? Link in the comments below.
Link in the...
I mean,
No. You're saying it wrong. Like, look, my guy, I don't know. All right, you boy just made it, and
You shut.
no, I don't. I don't.
Hello, I am Kermit the Frog.
No, you're not Kermit the Frog.
Why are you spending your own life on YouTube? Why can't you hang out with your family?
You know, that's a good question. Well, hey kids, teach
Stop
the.
saying it in your teenager voice. You stupid.
Well, hey kids,
That's not your elderly voice. No one wants to hear that.
Shut up, teach this young man.
Teach this young man to learn ABC.
Boy.
You eat dirt.
No, I do not eat dirt. I do not.
Did you?
I do not eat dirt. I do not.
Digimon.
Sayonara. No, I didn't die. You made me die. Why am I great? Look.
That's the point.
This is how you know the game is very good. Look. See me down here? Yeah. That's right. Crazy blocks. That's right.
You had so many clicks. It's gonna be over 15 minutes already.
No.
We have a budget.
I don't have a budget yet.
Yes, it's over. If the video's over 15 minutes, we have to shut it down.
I'm not shutting down.
We have to shut it down. Now.
I will not. No.
This is not YouTube friendly.
This is YouTube friendly.
I will report your videos for sexual content.
Oh god. Going for the button, your boy. Oh no! Okay, look. What happened was. See, your boy got the button now. Your boy got it. Your boy got the button. Your boy. Okay, you better make this. Go, Power Ranger. Alright, yeah, Power Ranger did it. Power Ranger Rick. Pickle Rick, Power Ranger Rick. Oh yeah. I am a guy. Nobody else is gonna make it except me. Because it's already lava. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Wait, how did he make it? No, I should have gone first.
Flippers.
Who cares, man? I got some Dave and Buster to deal with it. Too jealous? Yeah.
I got a mini basketball from Dave and Buster.
Look, listen. Nobody wants to hear about you. They all.
Oh, really? Someone likes football.
That's me, but yeah, everybody wants to hear about me.
What's your favorite football player?
Odell Beckham Jr.
Okay.
No, you. Hack up. Okay, look,
This thing did over 15 minutes.
No, shut up.
They won't be able to replace it with anything.
No, shut
You
up.
should have just ended here now.
No, I'm not in. I don't know.
When are you?
When am I gonna end it? You know, when I feel like it. Hey, look, your boy's not drowning.
What coordinates?
What do you mean, what coordinates?
Stupid.
This ain't Minecraft. What? Nobody likes Minecraft. Minecraft is so underrated. It says 5 stars, but it's like so underrated. It's gonna be the last map we do, or is it? Alright.
You like Slender Man.
No, I mean yeah, I do.
He said he had rape you.
So it's gonna what? Give me his number. Give me his number.
Wait, why would you want that?
Give me his number.
Wait, why would you want
Give me his number. Give me his number.
Oh,
Can I like get? Okay, whatever. Well, nice insult. I could have done.
Thanks.
Nice insult. I could have. All right, one last map because I feel like it, and I want to stop. And I want to stop recording. What's true?
It's a true flop remake Flopperton with parentheses.
I hate you. Well, not really.
I
still
mean,
hate you.
no.
Commas. What does that do?
What was the thing called? Was it
Parentheses.
No, that's
Parentheses. All right. We're gonna go to the. No, shut up! I already made art. Oh, my favorite map to end it off.
No, this ain't.
No,
You did that last time.
no, shut up!
Look at all the colorful balls.
You.
That's what she said.
Huh? Quack.
That's what she said. Quack. Ha, you suck. Game summary 00000. Total EXP 0.
That's 6 coins. You know what? Since I hate you this much, I'm gonna end it. You know what? Or am I?